So I have this old pitchfork tool that broke. The end of it rusted off and the nice metal fork fell out. There's also some other part that holds the fork in place that seems to have broken apart into a few pieces. Most of the time when a tool like this breaks, I just go out and get another one. But sometimes it's fun and therapeutic to just fix a tool like this. So I'm starting off by using a metal edge grinder to cut off the rusted end where there's clean wood and metal. You can see here how the wood is flush with the metal. Now I'm cleaning off the piece that holds the fork in place, which I can Gorilla Glue into place later on. Here I'm cleaning off the part of the rusted fork that gets inserted into the handle. Doing this will make it more smooth so it can hammer right into the handle easily. Now I'm matching up a drill bit that's just a little bit bigger than the end that gets inserted into the handle. Here I'm drilling a hole a little bit off center that I can hammer the fork into. You can see the hole isn't perfect, but it'll do. Here I'm assembling all the pieces together, and this is a heavy hammer that I'll use to hammer the fork back onto the handle. After a few good whacks, the fork settles into the right place and is nice and tight. Maybe it's not exactly how it used to be decades ago, but it's pretty close, and I saved a tool from the junkyard. Hopefully this inspires some of you to go out and fix some of your old tools too. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.